Hey there, 8th graders. This is your introduction video for week 8 of distance learning. We are going to be doing Pythagorean theorem, and I know you guys really liked Pythagorean theorem, so I think this is a great way for us to end the school year. It's using Pythagorean theorem and its converse to solve problems. So basically, you just use the formula for Pythagorean theorem and you plug in your numbers. So I'm going to show you some things. Let's see. We have notes that we can use. So these notes up here tell you, just about Pythagorean theorem. We have legs, we have two legs, and then we have the hypotenuse. Remember, the hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. So you can only use Pythagorean theorem when you have a right triangle. Right triangles are when they make a perfect corner, perfect L at the corner. So this one is a right angle right here, and the hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. Okay, and then these are your legs. And so here's an example. Here's leg 1, leg 2, and you just plug them in. A squared plus b squared will give us c squared. So that's when you have to do the square root of the last one. So, whoops, Paxton and Ronald, I know that you both have iPhones, so I just want to show you a trick really quick on your iPhone. When you have your calculator, I'm trying to move it to the camera. Okay, so your calculator, if you turn it this way, you will find the square root. It's going to be square root, this one right here. So you have that button there to find the square root of things. Another thing you can do is just use the internet and Google, like, what is the square root of blah, blah, blah. So I know that you don't have the calculators we use in school, so I'm just trying to show you ways of how to find it at home. Your assignment for the week is going to be a Google form. This is what it looks like. Let's see. It won't let me, maybe this one. No, it won't let me show you what it's going to look like, but this is the one I made for 7th grade, and it's going to be similar. So you're just going to go through and you're going to answer the questions, but make sure you use those Pythagorean theorem notes, because that's what's going to help you figure out the answers. If you need help, please contact me. I'm available for video conferencing. I'm available on the phone. I'm available via email. Some students have sent me screenshots of questions they have, and then I just work it out through the email. I mean, whatever works for you, please let me know. I'm here to help you. You're not completely alone. I hope you guys are doing okay. Miss you.